Hello stampers and crafters, it's Maria Russell here with you today, and thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel and Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel. I am so excited to share today's video because we have a YouTube design team call. So to start with, we need a couple of girls to join our design team who does YouTube videos and process videos. You must have a YouTube channel, and second, you must be willing to commit to post a YouTube process video once a week. And that's a huge requirement because all the other design team members are also doing videos, but they also do blog posts. You will not be required to do any blog posts. The only requirement that we will want from you is to post a YouTube process video once a week. You must be willing to help promote sales and other promotions by Cat Scrappiness, meaning if Cat has some sales and promotions, like this month she's having a Christmas in July, then you must be willing to share that on your YouTube videos. We have a nice perk for whoever gets to get picked to be a part of our design team. First of all, you will receive a generous package of products from Cat Scrappiness to play with, and that means you will be receiving dies, stamps, sequins, sprinkles, and some other products available at the shop. Also, from time to time, you will also receive some kits and other products occasionally, like if Kat is selling like a scrapbook kit or a shaker kit that she would want you to promote on your YouTube channel, then she will be sending those to you for free so that you can use it for your process videos. And the third one is huge. As a design team member, you will receive a discount of 30% off at the shop. You get a really good benefit. If you order from the shop, then you will receive 30% off the products that she sells at the shop. Also, the fourth one, you can also apply to be an affiliate and you can earn commissions. If you are creating YouTube videos and you do your process videos, then you can link all of the supplies that you use in your description box. If someone clicks on your link, then you will be earning a commission. So you can also apply for that. So there's so many perks of being a design team member. So all you have to do to apply is click on the link in the description box below, and Kat and I will be going through all the applications, and then we will be sending you an email if you got picked to be a member of our design team. If you have a YouTube channel, go ahead and apply, and there's nothing wrong with trying. And we're not only looking for a full-time YouTube design team member, but we are also looking for guest designers. So go ahead and apply, and you'll never know if you're gonna get picked. Thank you again for stopping by. Good luck to all of you, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now. Happy crafting!